Hello everyone, my name is Jeff Clark. This presentation is a brief about me, my insights, my expertise, and experience I bring to the table. I've been involved in the fashion business since 1988. I've been doing business in Asia since 1989. I lived in mainland China for 7 years to better understand the product, people, culture, languages, and business practices. I bring a breadth and depth through the entire PLM, from collection creation to supply chain and operations to the retail floor. I've built over a half dozen brands from scratch and managed the PLM for over 15 brands that I'll cover throughout this presentation. I'm passionate about the industry, product, and people. I'm committed to relationships, the team, and the end consumer. It's better to be transparent, not only in itself, but because it improves the quality of our personal and professional lives. I'm driven by the end consumer, their wants and their needs. Getting to know them and understand what drives them to purchase. I start with the customer and work backwards. It's essential to keep trust and transparency with the customer. It's really all about the team. Who is on your team? What position do they play? Everyone has an integral part and is essential to the success. I love educating, mentoring, making people happy, and seeing the excitement from the product, from the end consumer through to the factory floor. I am 100% transparent. You can see more about me by searching Google, search Jeffrey Living, that's Jeffrey with a J and R-E-Y. As there are 100,000 Jeff Clarks in the world, I needed to differentiate, so I chose Jeffrey Living as I'm living. I'm active in mainland China and Asia. You can see my presence, transparency, insights, expertise, and experience by searching Jeffrey Living China. In my drive to transparency and to share my insights, expertise, and experience, I started publishing in 2008. Since 2008, I published over 100 articles around the globe about the product, people, and fashion industry. I have been fortunate to work in retail, building brands and products with immediate consumer feedback and dissecting their future needs. I was responsible for transforming and elevating the market, product, and experience. On my customer-centric mission, I focused on the product. By managing the relationships, really listening to what is being said, understanding the infrastructure, the systems, processes, documentation, or lack thereof. I helped streamline the process and work with internal and external partners and employees on constant and continuous improvement that help grow and manage the product end of the business. Great for the internal team to be fully synced and supportive of the growth of each other. Attention seekers who are constantly demanding applause often sell themselves and the company short. The external team training is key to ensuring the company you're doing business with understands your values, your vision, and your mission statement. It's all about the customer. Give them what they want, when they need it, and make sure they're satisfied. They will come back for more, and they will tell everyone. Always do the best for your end consumer. Make them happy, and you will be happy, and you'll grow your business.